And welcome back, everybody. This is where I begin the top Fuel Dragster Group Build. This is the kit I'm building, and this is what all the parts look like. So we'll clean them up and begin the sub-assemblies. So this is what comes in the AMT ERTL Garlits Wynn jammer kit. It says on the box there's over 85 parts. I guess most of them are chromed and pretty small. Comes with a base. There's a deco sheet, instructions. 2 hard sort of pleather tires. This is the fan belt. It's the same material. Front tires or wheels are plastic. The body, top and bottom, is clear. The seat is loose. And this is all the chrome bits here, chrome trees. Here's the frame I'll put together, and as you can see, it with the clear body as well. Welcome back, everybody. Just a quick update on this Wynn jammer dragster build. It's going along very well. A lot of little scraping and cleaning up to do. There's a lot of chrome parts and a lot of scraping for the glue points, and we cut at the end of each day. I seem to be covered in glitter. The chrome flakes off there when you're scraping it. I think the hardest part of this this build is dealing with the instruction sheet. It takes over half my bench here. But I'll just see where I'm at so far. Okay, I've got a lot of the sub-assemblies done. So you can see the body's clear, and the top, this goes on the back here. I got the frame done. The front and rear tires, wheels are assembled. The parachute is attached. I just have to paint it. I've got the valve covers drilled out, and probably not going to be able to see it, but I black washed where it says Dodge on there to highlight the name tag. I'll try to get a picture of that. I got the engine block together. Got some pulleys and the blower to put on. The intake is back here. Just glued a little piece on the side of that. It even comes with a camshaft, goes under the engine. And there's a clear oil pan. I've dipped it in Future, and it's in the bed box drying out, so that'll go under the engine that you can see inside and see the drive shaft. I've got the differential, the rear end ready, the gas tanks put together. Still working on the sub-assemblies. That's where I'm at for now. It seems to be going along quite well. Everything's fitting quite nicely, and I test fit. And I think it's going to be a good looking little build when it's done. If you notice on the inside of the block, it's actually got the cylinders in different positions. The pistons in different positions. And then the camshaft has the flywheel on it on this end. And that fits in there. Try to do this with one hand. And if you did it properly and put the pulley on the end here and the belt, you could turn the flywheel. Let's focus this here. You turn the flywheel and turn the camshaft and turn the belt and pulleys. I just realized that since the oil pan is going to be clear and you can see inside to see the camshaft, that I needed to paint the inside of the block as well, and the pistons. So I've done the inside of the block in gunmetal and silver on the bottom of the pistons. So hopefully that will be a little bit visible. It is not for now, anyway. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to see if we can get all these parts in place.